theater content. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last week, I showed you a vlog where I play a character called Weiten Riabeng or Riri. And this time, I'm going to be showing you guys my scenes. From a total of 12 scenes in our performance, from 0 to 11, I am in 8 scenes. If I have the video, I will show you the full scene, but obviously, I didn't get the whole show. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. File as Weiten Riabeng. Acting block. So I was first in scene 0, which I did not get a clip of. It was a dream sequence of our main character, Saweri Gading. In the dream, Saweri Gading meets the love of his life. But that character was just a vision. Like, he doesn't know what it is. It's just a shadow. And I was the shadow, showing how he will fall in love with me. But at this point, we don't know who Saweri Gading's true love is. Next, I was in scene number 1, and I do have a tiny clip of it. Here, we are in the marketplace where Riri meets Saweri Gading for the very first time. And also in this scene is where they started flirting and kind of arranged to meet up the next day. They also met a fortune teller that basically tells them to be careful with each other.
Saweri Gading, aku Weiten Riabeng. Kamu bisa memanggilku Riri saja.
Riri, nama yang sangat cantik kudengar. Berhubung kau baru tiba, bagaimana kalau aku mengajakmu berjalan-jalan? Aduh, mari kan.
Next is scene number 2. I do have loads of video from that scene, but it's not complete, but it's okay. In scene number 2, it is technically our first and only date, if you can say. We are in a beautiful garden, and Riri is just like enjoying the flowers while Saweri Gading flirts with her. Until Saweri Gading sings a song to like basically tell Riri that he loves her, you know? They almost kissed, but Riri dodged it.
Ubur-ubur ikan lele. Selamat sore.
Saweri Gading, kau menunjukkan
Tentu saja, aku pria dengan sejuta kejutan. Mau jamuan lagi?
biarkan saja Arum. Mungkin itu bagian dari pesonanya.
Kau lihat, siapa yang akan menolak pesona alam itu? Iya, aku ingat. Tapi, entah saat bersamamu, aku tidak merasa terbelenggu diri. Justru aku merasa bebas. Seperti layaknya aku tahu kemana kakiku harus melangkah.
Sejujurnya, aku pun juga merasa begitu. Seperti aku tidak harus mengkhawatirkan apapun saat bersamamu.
Tak pernah kupikirkan berhenti. Yang
Matahari, sepertinya aku mulai makan penunggu. Dan sepertinya kau kembali. Tambah juga sudah pasti menungguku.
Kau benar ini. Aduh, juga pasti sudah menunggu. Aku yakin semesta pasti akan mempertemukan kita kembali, Riri.
Aku juga berharap begitu. Baiklah, aku akan pergi. Semoga harimu indah, Saweri Gading.
Semoga harimu indah, Riri. Dan semoga setiap langkah dijaga oleh semesta. Wahai bunga paling elok di taman lu.
Next is scene 5. In scene 3 and scene 4, I was not in it, but I'm gonna tell you what happened. Basically, there's a secret on why Saweri Gading and Riri cannot be together, and we don't know why. But Saweri Gading was sent away to China to find the love of his life. Continue on to scene 5. It is another dream sequence. In this very short dream, me, Riri, and a Chinese princess named Wei Chudai cross paths. We walk the same, we talk the same, we look the same. And that's all I'm gonna say. That was the end of Act 1. Now in Act 2, Scene 6 I was not in, Saweri Gading arrives in China and for the very first time meets Wei Chudai. At the time, Saweri Gading was still in love with Riri, so he didn't think much of Wei Chudai. Next is Scene 7, which I was in for a very teeny part. In that scene, Saweri Gading was inside the royal palace of China, trying to win the heart of Wei Chudai. But when he was about to answer the final question, he remembers that he has Riri. And the whole room freezes while Saweri Gading thinks of Riri. And that was my part. At the end of that scene, even though Saweri Gading knew the answer, he answered incorrectly so he wouldn't win the hand of Wei Chudai. Scene 8 was the big reveal on why Saweri Gading cannot be with Weten Riabeng. And it turns out that they're twins, separated from birth because the fortune teller have told our parents that we would have a forbidden love one day that will destroy our kingdom. And so I did not know that Saweri Gading was my twin, and he didn't know that I was his twin. We didn't even know that we have siblings. Anyway, at the end of scene 8, Saweri Gading decided to actually fight for Wei Chudai's hand. And Wei Chudai just happened to kinda look like Weten Riabeng, so... Before we went to scene 9, Saweri Gading won back the hand of Wei Chudai and they got engaged. Next is scene number 9. In this scene, Saweri Gading brought Wei Chudai back to his kingdom. He introduced Wei Chudai to his father, the king. And Riri came in. The king introduced Wei Chudai and Riri. Riri still doesn't know that Saweri Gading is his twin. So for her, she was heartbroken. She made the choice on the spot to tell the king that she will be going out of the kingdom.
Perkenalkan, namanya adalah Weten Riabeng yang berasal dari negeri Rum. Dan dia sudah saya anggap seperti anak saya sendiri. Weten Riabeng di hadapan adalah seorang putri dari negeri Cina bernama Putri Chu. Dan dia merupakan tambatan hati yang baru milik Saweri Gading.
Salam, Putri Chu. Salam, Weten Riabeng. Kamu terlihat sangat menawan. Yang
continuing on in scene 10. In this scene is their final goodbye. Sawari Gading came to Riri in their garden where they had their only date. And for the last time, they said goodbye. And Riri sang this very heartbroken song. And till the end, Riri will never know that he, Sawari Gading, was her twin.
Disembunyikan.
Bahkan tentang
Iya. Tentang itu.
jadi bagaimana kabarmu ini?
Terlalu sulit untuk dijelaskan. Semua perasaanku bercampur aduk. Jadi wanita itu
Ya, aku sudah menemukan seseorang dan kali ini tidak akan melukai siapapun Riri.
tak memilihnya.
Takdir yang memilihnya untukku.
Takdir memang tidak pernah memilihku. Aku rasa seperti aku telah menghabiskan waktuku.
Riri, aku tidak ingin melukai siapapun. Ini demi negeri Luwu. Demi di mana kaki kita berpisah.
Aku mengerti bahwa ada perasaan lain yang lebih kuat daripada sekedar keinginan. Aku tidak akan menghalangimu. Pergilah.
Riri, aku tidak ingin membiarkan begitu saja.
Jangan mendekat.
Aku tahu ini tidak akan mudah bagimu. Tapi kita harus terus melangkah ke depan.
Sawari Gading, di mana kau? Kemarilah. Kita harus segera bersiap.
Riri, aku harus pergi.
Pergilah. Dan selamat untuk kalian.
Riri, berbahagialah.
Langkah kita bertemu tanpa direncana. Kini namamu meninggalkan
Our last and final scene is scene 11. In this scene, it's in the middle of a dream sequence and a real scene, if you understand what I mean. In this scene, we have Wechudai, Saweri Gading, and Riri came on stage. They all met in the middle, but Riri was far behind. There, they all danced. Saweri Gading danced with Wechudai, and Riri, imagining that she was dancing with Saweri Gading, dances alone at the back. And when she realized that was her final straw to let go, she get off stage, and Saweri Gading got on one knee and proposed to Wechudai. Done.
Saweri Marsha sendiri sebagai Wetan Riabeng. Fawas Diamani Rowi sebagai Saweri Gading.
Untuk Teater Rakyat 2025 yang bertajuk Sabda Batara 3, 2, 1.
We've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more theater content or beauty, travel, anything random basically, please like, subscribe, share this video, and comment down below. I post every Saturday. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah!